BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the stable version of the Google Chrome web browser on desktop for Windows, Mac and Linux has received important security updates, which Google started rolling out on the 11th of October, yesterday in my region. That was late yesterday in my region. And there are a total of 6 security fixes. So when we're dealing with security fixes, your browser is your first line of defense to the online world. So as always, it's very important to double check that your Google Chrome web browser on Windows, Mac and Linux is up to date. And on Windows, this process will update you to the latest version and build. And this is a point release update which contains security fixes for version 106, which is the latest stable release. Now, this version and build now has been upgraded to 106.0.5249.119. It's just the 0.119 that contains 6 security fixes and updates. And those are all high risk. So that's your second highest after a critical vulnerability that's been patched. So very important to double check your browser's up to date. And just to mention a couple of those vulnerabilities that have been fixed: use after free, heap buffer overflow, inappropriate implementation, and most of those are use after free, which, as I have mentioned previously, just to do a quick summary, is that's the memory that gets freed up, say, when you close your browser, and a hacker and an attacker can use that memory that is freed up to gain access to your system, just as a very quick example to explain that vulnerability. So make sure you're at version 106.0.5249.119 to get those latest security fixes, which include 6 security patches that have rolled out to address 6 high-risk vulnerabilities in Google Chrome on Windows, Mac and Linux. And if you don't see the updates straight away, according to Google, you should be getting it sooner than later over the next coming days and or weeks. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.